HIV is short for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. Immunodeficiency means that your immune system is not working properly. HIV is a virus. It is contagious or infectious. You can contract it when blood, including menstrual blood, pre-ejaculate, sperm, or vaginal fluid from someone who has the HIV enters your body. For example, if HIV-infected blood gets into your blood, or if you have unprotected sexual contact, a mother with HIV can pass the virus on to her baby during the birth or via breast milk. Your immune system makes sure that you do not get sick from every pathogen. Your skin and mucous membranes defend your body against pathogens and harmful substances by preventing them from passing through. If your skin or mucous membranes are damaged, viruses, bacteria, and fungi can enter your body. Your immune system then springs into action to render the invaders harmless. Your immune system protects you from harmful pathogens. The immune cells, white blood cells, play an important role in this. They are found everywhere in the blood, spleen, and lymphatic system. There are different types of immune cells, and each cell has its own task: detecting, surrounding, consuming, and killing pathogens. And once the battle has been fought, they clear everything up again. Immune cells are therefore also referred to as protective soldiers. There are also immune cells that control everything and tell other cells what to do. These cells are most affected by HIV. If your immune cells do not work properly, you become sick. When the HIV particle gets into your body, it wants to replicate itself. But to do so, it needs a host cell. The virus cannot do this itself. The HIV particle uses a special immune cell, the CD4 cell, to make copies of itself. The CD4 cell is usually so damaged in the process that it dies. The HIV particles go looking for the CD4 cells in your blood. CD4 cells have a sort of antenna onto which the HIV particle fits exactly. This enables the virus to easily enter the cell. Once inside, the HIV particle uses the CD4 cell as a kind of copying machine to replicate itself. The HIV particle contains RNA. This is the genetic material of the virus. In order to replicate itself, the RNA must first be converted to DNA, so that it can be absorbed into the hereditary material, DNA, of the CD4 cell. During the creation of the DNA copy, mistakes can occur, meaning that the new HIV particles created by the CD4 cell can look a bit different. The DNA copy is then integrated into the DNA of the CD4 cell. The virus has succeeded in its aim. The CD4 cell will now create building blocks, RNA and proteins, for new HIV particles. During the building of new HIV particles, some building blocks have to be cut into smaller pieces. Otherwise, the new HIV particles cannot infect new CD4 cells. In this way, the CD4 cells make a large number of new HIV particles, which in turn go looking for new CD4 cells. More and more CD4 cells become infected with HIV. The CD4 cells that have been used for replication then break down. Over time, you have fewer and fewer CD4 cells in your body. This weakens your immune system, meaning you can get sick from pathogens that normally would not make you sick. HIV does not go away by itself. The virus not only replicates itself very fast, but also outsmarts your immune system. If you do not take any medication, you can develop AIDS and become very sick.